When you hear bacteria, what comes to your mind? Are they friends or foes? Probably the second option. We know many bacteria can be pathogens and cause diseases in animals and plants. However, most bacteria are not harmful, and they can even be beneficial and useful to us humans. Let's take wastewater treatment as an example. Wastewater is the dirty water that comes out of our households and industries. In most countries, this water is collected and directed to treatment plants. Wastewater has a wide range of contaminants, nutrients, antibiotics, micropollutants, and these need to be removed before the water is discarded back into the environment. In biological wastewater treatment, organisms such as bacteria are the ones responsible for removing these contaminants, providing us with clean water. These communities of microorganisms are very complex and composed by thousands of bacterial species. They are just like societies. Each bacterium has a specific role or job. Some species depend on the activity of others to thrive. They can compete for different substrates, but they need to work as a team to achieve the final goal, treat our wastewater. However, there are still many questions unanswered about the dynamics and the activity of these communities. In my project, I'm developing new methodologies that can help us answer 3 questions in more detail. Who are the key organisms in wastewater treatment? What is their function in these societies? And how can we exploit them better? I'll give you 2 examples of bacteria that assist with wastewater treatment, but also have special features that we can take advantage of. The first one are polyphosphate accumulating organisms, a bacterium that is able to remove phosphate from water, storing it inside a cell. We can harvest the cells and recover the phosphorus, which is a scarce resource and a necessary nutrient to grow crops. The second example are bacteria that can naturally produce bioplastics from the organic compounds present in wastewater. Again, we can harvest the cells and recover this bioplastic. It's bio-derived and a suitable alternative to petroleum-based plastics. In conclusion, bacteria not only treat our wastewater, but they can also enable the recovery of added value compounds, thus shifting our perspective of wastewater from an environmental burden to a source of valuable products. Going back to my initial question, when I mention bacteria, what do you think now? Are they friends or foes? Thank you.